This is a demo of Partisan Gerrymandering Calculator. This tool will help you study the sample space of possible election outcomes given various levels of population homogeneity with respect to voting preference. This tool allows you to adjust the level of resolution of homogeneity by simply varying an integer we refer to here as n. We accomplish this by treating redistricting as a mathematical function that takes in as input n, how many little squares we'd like to split our bigger grid into, which represents level of resolution, k, the number of districts we'd like to create, and the ratio of voters. In this particular case, we're only considering two parties. And finally, we'd like to set how many voters we'd like to have in each n square. For example, if we'd like to create 10 little squares, 6 districts at a 0.7 ratio, and have 9 voters in each n square, the result would look like the following. You'll see in a minute. As you can see, a table is created to showcase the data for each district. Each row here represents a district. We get the votes for each party, the efficiency gap, the ratio of state votes to total votes for each party, the ratio of wins to total states for each party, and the ratio of these two ratios that I just discussed for each party. We also calculate district area and district perimeter, which we then use to calculate Ponsonby-Popper compactness. As you scroll down, you'll see a map of the population spread with respect to party preference. This is created using the variables you insert above here. So you have 10 squares, each with 9 voters. So this 9 voters here would represent 1 square, and the ratio of the 0 votes to the 1 votes, which are the brown ones, is set based on the third variable you insert here. As you scroll down, you'll see a map of the district assignments, and finally, you'll see a pie chart representing the ratio of the wins for the two parties. If you'd like a more extensive discussion on the variables I'm calculating here and why they are important, please refer to the description. I've included a link to a blog post where I extensively discuss the parameters and why they are important. Thank you for listening and watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.